What's up, YouTube? Today I got 2008 Saturn Outlook. You see we got a headlight out. And it's one of those jobs, there's no way of getting to it from the top. So I'm gonna show you the best way to get it. All right, this is gonna be a tough video. What you wanna do, you wanna get all your bolts out here, around here. And then you wanna pull this back. You stick your hand up in here, you can find out where the back of the bulb is. You have this little cover, this right here. And this just turns out and pops off. Turn it a little bit counterclockwise, it comes right off. Then you gotta stick your hand up in there and feel the back of the bulb. And then you wanna spin the bulb a little bit, like a quarter turn counterclockwise, and then it'll come right out. And then you can, if your wire's long enough, you can stick it up through the top. I'll show you. All right, I already have the bulb loose. And here goes a little bit of the harness here. I don't know if it's in this video. Well, that's your bulb right there. And it's just a matter of unhooking the socket, because it's a plug. But it's probably easier to do it from the bottom. It's easier on the other side to do, pull it up to the top, but this side might do it from the bottom. Here goes a new bulb. And on the wiring harness, you got a little tab you gotta lift up right there, and then the plug will pull right out. Let's just say the bulb in the socket will pull right out. All right, here goes the plug right here. You can pull it through the bottom as well. This way I was gonna go. This is the bulb for this car. It's an H11, and I'm putting on blue gloves so you don't put any oil on this bulb, because it's going to shorten the life. So basically, you got this one clip. It's going to clip on there. This on the harness. Just squeeze it and pull it out. I don't think I can hold the camera for this one. This is little. I'll try to show you. Push on this tab right here, and then it'll let the bulb come out. I pulled the bulb out. Now I'm basically just going to snap the new one in. Just push till you get a click. I think I need two hands. Hang on. All right, I got it engaged. Now I'm just going to stick it up in there and give it a quarter turn clockwise in the socket. Sorry I couldn't really film this for you guys, but you kind of have to see this. You have to see with your hands, basically. And now I'm gonna slide this cap on and then give it a quarter turn to the right to lock it in. There we have it. Not really that hard to do, but it's kind of sucks trying to film it because your hands are gonna be in the way of the camera. So if there's any problems or questions, just hit me up, hit me in the comment column. But yeah, don't hesitate to do it. If you go to a dealership, they want to charge you for taking the bumper off and all this other crazy crap that they ain't gonna do in reality anyway, once they start to do the job, but they're gonna charge you like they did. And just do it yourself, man. It's pretty easy. The only problem you might have, some of these bolts here getting out, you might have to wiggle them back and forth till you get them to loosen up. But other than that, stick your hand up in there and go for it. All right, sorry again for the short video, but I hope the video ended up being pretty short, but it should help you out, hopefully. And you know the normal deal. Comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, take it easy.